The output volume menu is used to control the main volume level for each channel. The volume ranges from -70 to +12. The default setting is +12. Volume levels within the same group are interlocked. This setting can be overwritten by adjusting the recessed volume potentiometers on the front panel of the amplifier. The Turn On Volume menu is used to set the volume level that will be applied anytime the amplifier is turned on or emerges from sleep mode. Turn on volume levels within the same group are interlocked. The Maximum Volume menu is used to limit the potential output volume on each channel. This can be useful when using third-party IR or IP control to set volume levels. The Gain Offset menu is used to offset the volume level of channels within the same group. This is useful in applications where one speaker needs to be slightly louder or quieter than another within the same group. The Mute setting can be toggled to eliminate all output from a channel. Channels placed within the same output group will change simultaneously.